Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Okay, I hope you all are fine and enjoy your session. Okay, and study at your home. Don't go outside, inside your home and stay at your home. Okay, so now which period is going on? Which subject? Math subject. Okay, I am going to teach you math, and in math today I am going to teach you book exercise. Okay, you take out your book, grow with numbers. Okay, take out your book, grow with numbers and open number 4141, page number 4141. Okay, so let's start. All are ready? Take out your book, pencil and eraser. If you have no book, you take out your notebook. Okay, if you have no book, you take out your math notebook. Okay, fast. Take out pencil, eraser and book. Okay, your first question is page number 4141. Page number 4141. Okay, the question is write in figures. Write in figures. Write in figures means write number. First you identify the number name. Now you write the number. Which one is the spelling of the number? Here write FIV. FIV means 5. So you write here number 5. Okay, so let's start. On number 1, F I V E. FIVE. Here one block. So in this block you write the number 5 because the spelling of 5 is FIVE 5. So here we write number 5. Slipping line, standing line and half curve. This is number 5. Okay, on number 1 you write number 5. Now next, first you identify the spelling, then write the number. Next is TWO. What is TWO? TWO 2. So in this block you write number 2. TWO 2. So all of you write number 2. How to write number 2? We will make half curve and slipping line. This is number 2 and this is the name of number 2. TWO 2. TWO 2. Okay. Then next, the next is SIX. What is SIX? SIX 6. Now in this block you write number 6. Now how to write number 6? Write, make half curve and join the full circle. Okay. First you make half curve and join the curve. This is number 6. SIX 6. Okay. SIX is the name of number 6 and this is number 6. SIX 6. Okay, now next is EIGHT. Okay, look at the board. EIGHT. What is EIGHT? EIGHT is A. curve and join the curve. This is number 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay. So this is the number name of, the number 8 name is E-I-G-H-T, 8. So here we write number 8. Now next is T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. What is T-H-R-E-E? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay, so in this block you write number 3. Now, how to make number 3? Okay, look at the board. How to make number 3? You just half curve and half curve. This is number 3. And what is the name of number 3? T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. After writing, you revise one time. What is the spelling of number? Okay, like F-I-V-E, 5. T-W-O, 2. S-I-X, 6. E-I-G-H-T, 8. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay, so this line complete. Now move to the next line. Okay, on number 1. S-E-V-E-N. What is S-E-V-E-N? S-E-V-E-N, 7. So in this block, you write number 7. Now how to write number 7? Look at the board. First, you will make slipping line and make slanting line. This is number 7 and this is the name of number 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. So, the name of number 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, now next, O-N-E. What is O-N-E? You learn the spelling of number 1? Yes or no? This is the name of number 1. O-N-E, 1. And you know how to write 1. Just make standing line. Okay, this is number 1. O-N-E, 1. Okay, this is number 1. O-N-E, 1. Next is F-O-U-R. What is F-O-U-R? F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. So, in this block, which number we will write? 4. How to write number 4? You make slanting line, slipping line and standing line. This is number 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Next, N-I-N-E. Okay, next is N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. Okay, now slipping line. That one block. What is N-I-N-E? N-I-N-E, 9. In your previous lecture, you learn all the number names from 1 to 10. So, this is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The name of number 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. So, in this block, you write number 9. Half curve and standing line. This is number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. at last T, E and 10. Okay, T, E and 10. What is the 10? 10 is the 1010. The number is 1010. The name of number 10 is T, E and 10. So in this block you write number 10. How to write? Standing line and make oval. So this is number 10. 1010. So done. Write in figures. Okay, you write in these blocks. Write the number and complete your exercise. Write in figures. Write in figures means write numbers. Okay, write numbers like 5, 2, 6, 8, 3 and here 7, 1, 4, 9, 10. So this is over. Now next is fill the missing letters. Fill the missing letter. Move to the next. Okay, done. Next is fill the missing letters. On page number 41, on same page, next question is fill the missing letters. Okay, on number 1, okay, so this is TRE. Okay, and 2 fill, 2 blanks missing. So now we fill the letters. What is the spelling of number 3? What is the spelling of number 3? THREE3. So same you write here. THREE3. Okay, the name of number 3 is THREE3. This is number 3. Next, F slipping line, V slipping line. Okay. Now tell me what is the name of number 5? FIVE 5. The name of number 5, FIVE 5. So same you write here, FIVE. You write I and write E in the slipping line, on the slipping line. So this is number 5, FIVE 5. Now next, S slipping line, V slipping line, E, N. Okay. So the name of number 7 is, first you recognize the name of number 7, SEVEN 7. The name of number 7 is SEVEN 7. So right here, SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. Now at last, in this line, at last number is E slipping line, G slipping line and T. Okay, so So now first you recognize the name of number 8. What is the name of number 8? EIGHT 8. So same you write here. E already written. I. G already here. H. T. EIGHT 8. This line complete one time. All the number names you revise. THR double E 3, FIVE 5, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8. Okay, now move to the next line. Write T, slipping line and O. Okay. So now first you think about the number 2. What is the name of number 2? TWO 2. Okay. TWO 2. Count on your finger. TWO. So same you write here. What is the name of number 2? TWO 2. Okay, so now next F slipping line. U slipping line. Now think about what is the name of number 4. Start from F. FOUR. The name of number 4. FOUR. First you revise the spelling of number 4. FOUR. Count on your finger. FOUR. So same right here. F already written. F right here. OUR. So in these blocks you write O and R. Letters O and R. FOUR 4. Now next write N slipping line and slipping line. Okay. So now think about number 9. What is the name of number 9? Because the 9 start from N. Okay. So think about number 9. What is the name of number 9? N, I, and E. Number 9. Same right here. N, I, and E. Number 9. Name of number 9. N, I, and E. 9. N, I, and E. 9. Last this. Okay. T slipping line and. Now think about number 10. What is the name of number 10? T, E, and 10. The name of number 10 is T, E, and 10. T, E, and 10. So you write here E. E and already written. So you write here E. E, and 10. So you write all the letters. First TWO 2, FOUR 4, NINE 9, and TEN 10. So you fill all the blocks from letters, missing letters. Fill the missing letter. Okay, so done. Both exercise, write in figures and fill the missing letters. So your lecture is all over. Now, bye. Have a nice day.